Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Mad Pumpkin. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my drawing series. Alright, today we are going to be drawing a pumpkin, a cartoon Mad Pumpkin. Alright, the basic shape again that I created first, the really quick sketch and the crosshairs to help guide me where the eyes and nose and the mouth will be. But this little pumpkin is not going to have any nose. He's going to have an angry mouth though. Really upset. Someone stole all his seeds. That's why he's upset. So keep a note on how I am sketching. Again, this is very important. This is something that a lot of people are missing out these days. All right, let's work on the stems and just randomly go. I'm just using my imagination when creating the stem, thinking in how a pumpkin actually looks. You might need to get a reference online or in a magazine and have that next to you when you're sketching. That is what I used to do years ago, and I still do. Have to have a reference sometimes. But this time I kind of just winged it, should I say, in my mind. And then I'm creating those inner circles for the dimension for the pumpkin is in there. And now I'm just going a little bit darker for each one of those. When this one's colored and it came out really cool. I like his glowing mean eyes that I had accomplished. Alright, and this is a basic shape. Pumpkins, you can do any type of jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. You can do any type of face, funny, silly, sad. It is one of the time that I love doing. It's a simple shape, a circle, basically oval. And you can create many different expressions on it. A pumpkin actually is a good starting point to do facial expressions. You don't have to worry about the head, how it is shaped. All right, working on the eyes now, getting a little darker there. And let's just shade that in. Again, these are those speed lines, just up and down really quick. And don't worry if you go in or out of those lines. This is a sketch. And let's get down the other side. And just about done with this little baby. And let's get a little bit darker around here too, get more dimension. And I'm going to be using Illustrator and Photoshop to be doing my inking and coloring again. And there we go with the whole vine part where the pumpkin grows off of. And this again, sometimes when you speed, if you go further away, it gets a little lighter, and that's intentional, so it doesn't look like it's always dark, like the eyes are in the mouth. All right, there you go. Let's get working on the little shadow. And the last thing you should do is sign your name and date it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.